Integrating the Fifth Third Bank mobile app is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your accounts, pay bills, and transfer funds on the go. To get started, first ensure you have a Fifth Third Bank account and a compatible mobile device. Next, visit the App Store on your device and search for the Fifth Third Bank mobile app. Download and install the app. Then launch it to begin the integration process. You will be prompted to log in with your existing online banking credentials or enroll as a new user if you do not have an online banking account. Once you have logged in, you will be asked to set up a username and password for the app, as well as a 4-digit passcode for added security. You will also have the option to enable Touch ID or Face ID for biometric authentication. After setting up your login credentials, you can begin exploring the app's features. The dashboard will display an overview of your accounts, including your current balances and recent transactions. You can also use the app to pay bills, transfer funds between accounts, and deposit checks remotely. To pay a bill, simply select the Pay Bills option and enter the payee's information. You can also add payees to a list of favorites for easy access in the future. To transfer funds, select the Transfer option and choose the accounts you wish to transfer from and to. The Fifth Third Bank mobile app also offers a range of security features to protect your accounts. You can set up account alerts to notify you of suspicious activity, and use the app's built-in security tools to monitor your accounts for signs of fraud. Best practices for using the Fifth Third Bank mobile app include regularly updating your login credentials, keeping your device's operating system up to date, and being cautious when using public Wi-Fi networks. By following these steps and tips, you can safely and securely integrate the Fifth Third Bank mobile app into your daily banking routine.